Understanding online classes. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of online classes, a concept that has become increasingly important in our digital age. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, understanding this term is key. Let's get started. Online classes, also known as e-learning or virtual learning, are educational courses conducted over the internet. Unlike traditional classroom settings, online classes allow students to learn from anywhere with an internet connection. They often include videos, readings, interactive activities, and discussion forums. These classes can be part of a formal education system or for personal development. There are various types of online classes, each catering to different needs. 1. Synchronous classes. These occur in real time, where teachers and students interact at a specific hour, much like a traditional classroom. 2. Asynchronous classes. These allow students to access materials and complete tasks at their own pace, providing greater flexibility. 3. Hybrid classes. A mix of online and in-person learning, offering a blend of both worlds. Online classes offer several advantages. Flexibility, learn at your own pace and schedule. Accessibility, available to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of location. Diverse learning resources, access to a wide range of materials and interactive tools. While beneficial, online classes also come with challenges. Self-discipline requires a high level of motivation and time management skills. Technical issues, dependence on technology can sometimes lead to issues like poor internet connectivity. Limited social interaction, less face-to-face interaction with peers and instructors. To make the most of online classes, consider these tips. Set a regular study schedule. Treat it like a traditional class. Create a dedicated study space, free from distractions. Engage actively. Participate in discussions and activities. Online classes are a flexible,